Hi everyone, in this demo I will show you how to manually add an approver and include an indication on the approval preview that the step was added. First, ensure the record is submitted for approval as additional approvers can only be added while it's pending approval. Next, go to the approval progress page and click on any approval link. On the new page, click the add approval button, fill in the approval user field and include a brief ad hoc approval message such as for review. Once you have filled it out, tap Add Approval to save the changes. Finally, return to the approval progress page. You will see the new approval added and it will be reflected in the approval preview. And that's how we manually add an approval and see the changes reflected on the approval preview. Thanks for watching.